Visit IsolatedStudy.in and click on the Sign Up button. If you're new, register first by entering your email. Once done, click on Login, enter your email and password, and you'll be successfully redirected to the Isolated Study dashboard. If you are already logged in, there's no need to re-enter your credentials. You'll be automatically redirected to your dashboard. Now click on IsolatedStudy AI, then open Chatemate AI. Choose your preferred AI model, type your prompt, and hit the Enter key to get your response. You can also download the response as HTML by clicking the Download button, or simply copy the response by clicking the Copy button. Next, click on the Choose button to upload images and get AI-generated responses. You can upload up to 10 images at once, and the system will analyze and respond to each one instantly. Now let's use the Reset Conversation button. This feature starts a new session for a fresh chat, clearing the previous conversation so you can begin again from scratch. Now let's explore the Plus button. This button gives you access to several powerful features: mic for voice input, speak output, to listen to the response screen capture upload file, to get AI responses based on your documents or images. Here we used the screen capture feature. And as you can see, the response is accurate and perfectly captured with no issues at all. By clicking on the Speak button, the AI will read the response out loud, making it easier to understand.
You've identified all the key UI elements, functionalities, and even the underlying technology. Gemini 2.5 Flash.
In the chat history section, you can view all your previous conversations. You can even continue chatting in the same conversation thread. No need to start over every time. Here, we're using the Upload button to send a PDF file. It supports multiple file types, including PDF, HTML, Word documents, and more. Just click on Upload, choose your file, and then ask your question based on the uploaded content. Now let's explore the image creation feature in IsolatedStudy. Click on Image Generation. Here, you'll find two models available, Imagen 2 and DALL E3. Models may change or more may be added, so contact the support team for the latest updates. You can choose how many images to generate, up to a maximum of 8 at a time. And you can also set the image dimensions. Just type your prompt, click the Generate button, and in 2 to 3 seconds, your AI-generated image will be ready. Click on the Gallery section to view all globally generated images by users. If you click on My Gallery, you'll see only the images you personally generated, neatly organized for easy access. Have questions or need help? Drop a comment below or contact the IsolatedStudy support team. They're always ready to help you out. Visit https://IsolatedStudy.in WhatsApp support +91 73026 93676 email isolatedinfo@isolatedstudy.com. Thanks for watching and happy learning with IsolatedStudy.